What can I do if my Ring camera is unable to connect to my Wi-Fi network?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many Ring camera users encounter, connecting to Wi-Fi network. No matter what model of Ring camera you have, these steps should help you solve any Wi-Fi connectivity problem.
Are your Ring camera and Wi-Fi network functioning properly?
Before we dive into more complex troubleshooting, let's make sure the basics are in order. 1. Check your Ring camera. Ensure that your Ring camera has power and that it's online. If it's battery powered, make sure the battery is not dead. If it's wired, check the power supply. 2. Check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is functioning properly. You can check this by seeing if other devices, like your phone or computer, are able to connect to the Wi-Fi network.
Is your Wi-Fi network compatible with your Ring camera?
Next, make sure your Wi-Fi network is compatible with your Ring camera. 1. Check Wi-Fi band. Ring cameras only work with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so make sure your router is set to this frequency or is dual band, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2. Check Wi-Fi network password. Make sure you're using the correct Wi-Fi network password when attempting to connect your Ring camera.
Are your Ring camera and Wi-Fi network close enough?
Another common issue is the distance between your Ring camera and your Wi-Fi router. 1. Check the distance. Ensure that your Ring camera is within the range of your Wi-Fi network. Try moving your Ring device closer to your Wi-Fi router to see if this resolves the issue. 2. Check for obstructions. Walls and large objects can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. If possible, position your Ring camera and router such that there are minimal obstacles between them.
Have you tried a basic troubleshooting?
If you're still having issues, some basic troubleshooting steps might help. 1. Restart your router. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connection issues. Unplug your router, wait for a minute, and then plug it back in. 2. Restart your Ring camera. Similarly, you can also try restarting your Ring camera. 3. Reset your Ring camera. If restarting doesn't work, you might need to perform a factory reset of your Ring camera. Please note that this will erase all your settings, and you'll need to set up your camera again. Hopefully, these steps have helped you solve your Wi-Fi connection issues with your Ring camera. Remember, sometimes the simplest solution is the right one, so always start with the basic troubleshooting before moving to more complex steps. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.